Do you feel like quitting network marketing? Do you feel that your dreams aren't big enough? Do you lack the skills necessary to be successful in this industry? Do you lack an upline that helps you grow your business? My name's Tina Heuermann, and I'm just like you. Until I found Rank Makers. There was an ad in my Facebook feed, and I joined this group for free, not really ever knowing who Ray Higdon was. I mean, I knew his name, but I was so focused on following Eric Worre, Brenda Bouchard, and several other leaders in the industry, and they're fantastic leaders. They cast this ginormous vision for the possibilities of what can happen when you succeed in this industry. But what they lacked was the day-to-day skills. I never got that. I didn't know how to do it. I sure as heck didn't know how to teach it to my team. And I had a lot of people quit the industry on my team because I was an ineffective leader. Because I didn't know. I didn't know how to tell someone how to do this business because I didn't even know myself. I went 3 months without really working my business. I would get frustrated because I didn't know how to approach people. I didn't know about posture. I didn't have the right wording. Rank Makers has taught me all of that. And because of that, I became a lifer. Like for the rest of my life, Rank Makers will be a part of who I am as I grow in this industry and become better and stronger at what I do. Why didn't anybody tell me about Rank Makers? Like, I have a lot of friends in the industry. Why didn't they tell me about this? I didn't want that to happen to you. So I wanted to make sure that you understood that there is help available. Why don't you join me in the private Facebook group for Rank Makers? Just give it a shot. Your dreams aren't going to quit you. They're always going to be there. Give Rank Makers a shot. Commit to that for 30 days, 90 days. Learn the skills necessary to become a successful and professional network marketer, because I want to see you succeed. Again, my name's Tina Heuermann. I'm a Rank Maker lifer, and I couldn't be happier. Have a good day. Bye-bye.